Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Adguard DNS provides network-level ad and tracker blocking for your Android device. Use the IP addresses 94, 140, 14, 14 and 94, 140, 15, 15 for standard DNS queries. For encrypted traffic, use DNS over HTTPS at https://DNS. Adguard.com/DNS query to hide queries from local networks. This prevents many ads, trackers, and malicious domains before they reach apps. It works without installing extra filters for basic protection. Adguard DNS reduces unwanted connections and can speed browsing by avoiding ad content. On Android 9 and newer, use private DNS to enable encrypted DNS system-wide. Open Settings, then Network and Internet, then Private DNS to change the option. Choose the private DNS provider hostname option and enter DNS. Adguard.com as the hostname. Android will use DNS over TLS on port 853 for all apps without requiring root access. This secures DNS queries even on mobile data and public Wi-Fi networks. Restart networking or reboot if the setting does not take effect immediately. If your phone is older than Android 9, change DNS per Wi-Fi network in Advanced Settings. Edit the Wi-Fi network, set IP settings to static, then enter DNS1 as 94, 140, 14, 14 and DNS2 as 94, 140, 15, 15. This approach secures only that Wi-Fi connection and does not change mobile data DNS. For system-wide filtering on older phones, install the Adguard app, which creates a local VPN without root. Rooted users can enable deeper filtering and network-level rules in the app settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.